In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Solana from Photon. To do this, just go to open up Photon and then in the top right, click on your profile and go to Wallet Management. And now here you will see withdrawal as well. So you're going to click on withdrawal, then choose which wallet you want to withdraw from. So I only have one of them. And then here you can choose the type, so make sure it's set to Solana. Then here just input the amount you want to withdraw. And then where it says withdraw to, you can pick one of your already existing wallets. So for example, this is my sign up wallet, which for me is my Phantom wallet. But what you can also do is just input an address right there. But if you have access to your sign-up wallet, then that's probably the easiest. And the way that you can check if this is a wallet you have access to, you can see what it starts and ends with. So this one, for example, is AXJ. So now if I open up my Phantom wallet and just click on receive and then go to Solana, you can see it starts with the AXJ and it ends with WJV, and the same right here. So then I know that it is actually going to be deposited or withdrawn to my wallet. So then after doing that, just click withdraw and then it will be withdrawn. So now you know how to withdraw Solana from Photon. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.